So I've tried quite a few tubing mascaras over the years, and I have to say that Tartelette is one of my favorites. What sets it apart for me is the tubing technology, which essentially wraps each lash in its own little tube, providing amazing length and definition without smudging or flaking during the day. And then when you want to take it off at night, you just use water and the whole tube comes off your lash. The application process is really smooth and easy too. The mascara just glides on without any clumps, and it also separates my lashes beautifully, making them look naturally long and full. I really appreciate too how it manages to hold a curl without making my lashes feel stiff or brittle, and the long brush is nice and easy to use. My one thing about this is I have found that after a month or so of using it, it will start flaking off a bit during the day. I found that's the same with all tubing mascaras, so usually I think you just have to swap them out a little more often than regular mascara. But to me, it's worth it because there's so much less hassle with wearing tubing mascaras.